Welcome to Online Tools Master. Today we're exploring the Stamp Quality Enhancer, a powerful tool created by Browserling that fixes faded, pixelated, uneven, or low-quality digital stamps and transforms them into clean, sharp, high-contrast PNG stamps. This tool works best with transparent background stamps and lets you unify stamp color, increase its thickness, delete faint pixels, and smooth rough edges for a polished final result. To reach the tool, open your browser, search onlinepngtools.com, and head straight to Stamp Quality Enhancer. Now let's see 3 examples in action. Example 1, enhance a faded stamp. First, we upload a faded, low-quality stamp. To enhance it, we applied Use Uniform Stamp Color and selected the vibrant shade RGB 229 63 90. Next, we enabled Increase Stamp's Thickness and added 1 pixel to make the letters, borders, and curves sharper. We kept edge smoothing at 0, and we enabled Expand Only Outer Edges. Here is the final clean and print-ready stamp. To download it, click Save As. Example 2, restore an old seal for a museum. We start by uploading the original historical seal scan. For this restoration, we set Uniform Stamp Color to black to unify the entire stamp. Thickness was kept at 0 pixels to preserve the authentic design. We enabled Clear Translucent Pixels and set the alpha threshold to 110, cleaning up faint aged areas around the edges. Smoothing was kept at 0, and outer edge expansion was disabled. After applying these settings, the seal becomes crisp, readable, and ready for archival use. To download the final output, click Save As. Example 3, enhance a photo studio's stamp. We display the original business card stamp first. To improve it, we set the stamp color to RGB 34 30 80, a dark navy blue, and increase thickness by 4 pixels for higher visibility. We enabled Expand Only Outer Edges so that internal details like letter loops remain untouched, and use Smooth Stamp Edges with a radius of 1 to soften jagged outlines. Here is the final polished stamp, perfect for both printing and digital use. To download it, simply click Save As. Before we wrap up, don't forget to see our previous videos on Slowly Reveal Image, Part 2 and Convert Color Names to PNG, Part 2, both extremely useful for creative design workflows. Try the Stamp Quality Enhancer yourself at onlinepngtools.com. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more quick and powerful tool guides.